Imagine this. You're going about your day, working, hanging out, maybe even sleeping, and your trading account is growing. Today we're showing how you can skip years of learning to trade and just copy pro traders for free. Stay until the end, because if you act now, there's a bonus EA waiting for you if you deposit $500 or more, link in the description. Let's be honest, the vast majority of retail traders lose money. They're battling charts, emotions, strategies that change every week. So, they're told to learn for months, even years, before they might see results. But what if you didn't have to? Like, what if you could shortcut to results by copying someone who already knows the game? Our VIP Telegram signal service, it sends you exact entries, clear stop losses and take profits. Pretty straightforward, right? So, we trade with a risk reward of 1 to 1.5, meaning, when we're right, the profits actually outweigh the risks. It's a pretty solid approach. We're tracking about an 80% win rate under real conditions. All you have to do is join the group, get the alert, place the trade, and just let it run. Super straightforward. Whether you're a beginner, a busy professional, or just someone who wants results, this is built for you. And yeah, it's accessible from anywhere in the world. All you need is a broker account. Links are down below. Just deposit, and you're in. We do the thinking, and you just enjoy the gains. First, click the link in the description and open a broker account through our partner. Next, go ahead and make your deposit. So, after we confirm everything, we go ahead and add you to our VIP Telegram channel. You'll start getting signals live, like you get a notification and you just take action right away. And, for deposits over $500, you actually get our bonus EA, which honestly gives you an even bigger edge. Look, we're not fluff. We have members sending screenshots of wins. Our strategy is real. We wait for clear setups, like breakouts, retests, strong support or resistance, that we know actually work. We're consistent, week after week, not chasing hype. And you're copying this entire workflow. If you're tired of staying up late analyzing charts, or maybe trying dozens of strategies without result, and just feeling lost in all that market noise, then, honestly, this is your solution. We handle the analysis and you just mirror the trade. It's smart, stress-free trading. As promised, if you deposit $500 or more through our link, you'll get a free expert advisor. Yeah, that's a trading robot we've actually tested ourselves. We're doing this because, honestly, we want action takers, not just people who are browsing around. This bonus isn't going to be here forever. Only the first set of users will get it. So, here's what you do right now. First, click the link below. Next, open a broker account using our link. Then, deposit any amount, and if you go $500 or more, make sure to claim that bonus EA. After that, we'll add you to the VIP Signals group, so you can start copying and profiting. Stop overthinking, stop waiting, let the pros trade, and you just follow and grow. See you inside.